That was a really feeble week. Hello! It's quite steamy in here, isn't it? Hello! Hi. Hello! And welcome to Katie.Pix. Thank you to those who have been here before. It's very exciting to have you stick around or to come back around, however you've appeared back on this channel again. And if you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in. Professionalism is not my forte. Let's just lay the groundwork there. Today we are making a delicious recipe called poached pears. I mean, is that the name of the recipe or is that just what we're going to do? We're going to poach some pears. Super simple, quite a winter dessert normally, but actually I love this for the summertime because it's nice and light and fragrant and uses some of my absolute favourite comfort spices. This recipe does take a little bit of time, but your actual hands-on activity moment is barely there. You just got to chuck it in a pot at like starters or mains, give it 2 hours, and when you're ready for desserts, it's going to be ready for you. And I cannot wait to show you. Right, I've just got here 1 litre of water that I've just brought up to temperature. We can turn that down a bit now though. Calm yourself, calm yourself. Into that I have just peeled 4 conference pears. They're not going to turn to mush, they've got a bit more to them. They also don't need to be super ripe, so if you have got some that need a bit more time in the fruit bowl, those will be perfect. So I'm going to drop those straight into our water, into our poaching liquor essentially. Into that we're going to add in 300 grams of caster sugar. And then we're going to go in with our spices. So we're going to go in with 10 cardamom pods. Now these, I'm actually, somewhere up here. Yes! I've got my little pestle and mortar. I'm going to drop those in and just give them a little crush. Burst them open to get all those lovely little seeds and fragrances out. And that's going to go straight into our pears too. And I've got some cinnamon, just in the form of a cinnamon stick. I'm also going to add in some star anise. So if you imagine, we've got these amazing, very pungent Middle Eastern flavours. That's a lot of liquid there, this can handle it. And this is a very luxurious addition and you don't have to use this. This is just an ingredient that I happen to have in the stock cupboard and I couldn't resist it. So I'm just going to go in there with a pinch of saffron. It will also colour these pears beautifully and give your syrup a lovely colour. How dare I forget? Vanilla. Vanilla bean paste, to be exact. Go with a teaspoon in here. Right, we're now just going to pop that onto a medium heat. You can cover it if you wish. You can leave it uncovered. Covering it will obviously help speed it up a little bit. So if you're running slightly short of time, it's going to help you out. And you just want to keep it covered for about 2 hours or until a knife very easily slips right through that pear. And then it's ready to serve. Now, I have got here's one I made earlier. These are the pears. Oh, look how beautiful they are. And what I've done is I've just taken them aside now that they're perfectly cooked and started to reduce down that amazing liquor that I'm gonna pop our pears back into, just let them have another glaze. And then we're ready to serve. You can serve this with ice cream, you can leave it to go cold and just chop it up and have it as a really luxurious addition to like porridge in the morning. Super easy. I hope you give this a go. If you do, please let me know in the comments box below or even just tweet me, Instagram me. Don't tweet me, I haven't been on Twitter in years. Instagram me, Facebook me, leave me a comment below at the Katie.Pix. I'd love to hear from you and see if you've given this a go. And if you want to see any other recipes from me, guys, make sure you get those suggestions in the box below. I want to hear. This is our channel, so let's make some beautiful magic. Until then, thank you so much for watching. Bye! Oh, so juicy.